Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, welcome to the family. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification, like and share my video. Okay, let's get into the tutorial. Thank you guys. I will be using Morphe Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette. The colors in this palette are so dope. I'm also going to be using the Morphe Jeffree brush set. I went in with a brown eyeshadow, a brown matte eyeshadow. I blended this into my crease. So I went in with a pink shadow, a light pink shadow. They are all matte. You need a matte eyeshadow on your crease, nothing else. And finally, I went in with a baby pink eyeshadow. So these are the three shades I used on my crease, and that was everything. Then I went in with the Vaseline. The goal is not to cut a crease. The goal is to clean all the excess eyeshadow that has fallen on my crease. So it looks as if I cut a crease now, but no, I'm going to blend it out. I don't want a cut crease. This is a smoky eye. You'll see as we go into the tutorial. So this is a gel liner, Carrite. For you to have a popping eye shadow, a popping black smoky eye, you need a black gel liner. This will make your So I went in with a black eyeshadow in this Morphe palette. This matte black shadow is the first black matte shadow I'm seeing that is so black. This shadow is everything. It is so black. Trust me guys. It may not appear that black in camera, but it is so black. That Morphe palette is a bomb. I love the palette so much. All the colors in it is so pure, like they are so popping. So what I'm doing now is just blending my crease with the black eyeshadow. I'm trying to blend the ash line. I'm trying to make it blend. So that's everything. I went in with my foundation, Revlon and Fit Me. The mixture is a bomb, like it's so juicy. And I went in with my beauty blender. There's nothing I'll do without a beauty blender. I love pressing in my foundation with a beauty blender. It just makes your foundation sit in and look so blended and matte. I went in with my Lego Pro. This concealer is what I've been using since I started using makeup for my face, and I've not upgraded from it because it is so good and affordable. So this is the shade Fawn. Most people use Fawn, even dark people use Fawn. So I'm pressing it with my beauty blender. Then I did the rest of my face off camera because my memory card was full. So I had to download it to my computer, then start all over again. So I added the pink shade under my eye just to blend it up with the black pencil that I use in my waterline. So this is Maybelline Mascara. This mascara is bomb. Everything is bomb in this tutorial. This mascara is so good and pure. Then I went in with this eyeliner. This eyeliner, I just picked it up at Shoppers Drug Mart, I think. I forgot the name, but it's a very black and nice eyeliner. So I went in with a gold shimmer. I thought this was a shimmer, but this is actually a glitter. But I don't like glitters like that, so no. So I went in with the real shimmer that is inside that palette, the gold shimmer. So I just added it to it. Then I went in with my blush. Then my bronzer. Then after this, I'll be going straight to my lip. So that's pretty much everything I did on my cheek. I'm going to go in with classic lipstick. I use burgundy and pink. This combination is everything. They go well together. For this, I didn't use a lip liner because the lipstick is dark, so there will be no need for any lip liner. I'm kind of experimenting with my lighting. I have like 3 lights in front of me now, so I'm thinking I should reduce it to 1. The last video I did and I reduced it to 1 was a bit, not bright like this, and this is too bright for me. So you see the after video, I reduced the light to 1 so you can tell the difference. If you like, you might make a comment in the my comment box for suggestions. Thank you. So I added the pink. This combination is a bomb. I love it. So I just went in with this to clean out all the lipstick that have fallen out of my lip. That's pretty much everything about this look, guy. If you do your lipstick and you realize that's falling out of shape, you can go with your concealer brush and just wipe it out. Then I added my powder shade under my brow. Then my brow gel. That's pretty much everything, guys. You need the brow gel for your brow. It's necessary. Sorry, guys. It is necessary. So guys, thank you so much for staying tuned. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share my video, thumbs up, like my video. Thank you, BTV people. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you for making me proud. Thank you for giving me the vibe to always go ahead and make another video. Thank you. I'll catch you in my next video. See you guys.